Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos and a place where we avoid 3.6 Rotkin deals. We just did a video on it yesterday, but now the deals are up. The deals are up. I'll link it in the description. We'll go over this, and the storage days clickable link is available, so we'll go over that. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And we got it. 7 days of deals, 7 days of super deals. Now through, this is clearly wrong, now through July 25th. That's more than 7 days, but that's okay. We'll ignore the Inside Track Club members. So 7 days of deals now through, it's for a week. So it should be $625 starting tomorrow. But here we have it, 7-piece ratcheting combination wrench set, your choice of SAE or metric. They are 50% off is what we were thinking, down to $15 compared to Husky. Solid choice. Some good feedback from the Harbros. Some people want it, some people don't. But at $15 lifetime warranty, maybe a set for the truck or something. Great deal. We did the Viking. We saw the Viking 2000 peak amp, lithium-ion jump starter, and power bank, $90, $50 off. Then we have the QUINN 3/8" drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench, down to $110. We're going to go a little bit old school here and bring out our handy dandy calculator. $60 off of $170, non-member price down to $110. So we'll do the math here for everybody. $60 off of $170, 35% off on a QUINN 3/8" drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench. Excellent compared to Craftsman, who's picking up their 3/8" torque wrench from QUINN. Not a bad choice. 35. We'll just round up to 36% off, $60 off. Then we did go over this, the 2-ton PITTSBURGH 2-ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack, $120, $80 off, down from $200. Excellent choice. QUINN again, the 15-piece premium screwdriver set. And we mentioned it again yesterday. We would expect at least a minimum of 35 to 40% because that's what was going on during the parking lot sales. But we're at 50%. Now, not much, a few dollars extra off, but it is extra. It is a better deal. $14, only $28, 50% off the QUINN premium screwdriver set. Who's picking it up? A lot of options. That's like PITTSBURGH price. Then we have the Tarp for the Tarp bros, a couple non-believer Tarp bros out there. We're still looking out for the ladder bros. There's one HARBRO who's been looking for some ladders. We'll keep an eye out. But here's the 8 foot by 10 foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil Tarp. I said 50%. They upped it. They took it up to the next level. Super Saiyan 3, $699, normally $15, 53% off. So if you're a Tarp bro, let me know in the comments. Crazy discount. That's the best discount I've seen on the Tarps. They've gone 50%, but 53%. They're making it up. This is super ITC. Next, PITTSBURGH 300-pound capacity low profile creeper, down to $25. Now we were dreaming maybe for 50%, but 37% off is no joke. 37% off, normally $35, normally $40, down $15, down to $25. These, from the comments yesterday, hit or miss. Some people have had them. Some of the Harbros are not recommending them if you're a little bit closer to the 300-pound capacity. And we saw it in the reviews also that the wheels break through the chassis, I guess. So just a heads up. But at $25, if you're a Harbro who weighs $150, maybe it's for you. 4 different colors. And then icon alert. This one we did see the 2100 Lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight, $30, only $55, 45% off. A lot of praise from the Harbros as well, because this comes with some of the other icon lights that only come with 1 light, but you can add 2, you can add 3. 45% off is nuts. And then a little bit of a give me. Well, if you need some magnetic towing lights, this is it. $18.99, 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit from Kenway, 42% off. Yeah, 42% off. That's excellent. That's parking lot sale level for ITC members. Only $33. And then rounding it off, the Icon 25-piece multi-spline screw extractor set, $35. Normally $69.99. And I know that price is nice, but $35 is actually it's even nicer. 50% off is nuts compared to Snap-on. Everyone needs a decent multi-spline, well, the screw extractor set, and you can't go wrong with the 25-piece for $35 lifetime warranty. Come on, Harbros. And those are the 7 days of deals. Some great options going on for 7 days. Hopefully supplies last. I feel like they picked ones that the supplies will last. Hopefully that's the case. So 7 days of super deals, and we're just going to do a quick little side note on the storage days. Storage days starting tomorrow as well, 15-20% off for non-ITC. but these coupons are clickable now. So we'll click on what people were asking about. If the top chests were going to be available, 28 items. We're just going to sort from high to low. And we do have the US General 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank top chest. If that's the one you were looking for, $950, 20% off. If your ITC will get you close to $200 off. So that's a pretty penny you're saving. Work Center hutch is available. Work Center hutch is available. Well, we'll just read through them. Triple bank roll cab, 56-inch roll cab, the 42-inch roll cab, the 6-drawer full bank service cart, top chest series 3. So you have the 72-inch top chest and the 56-inch top chest, all available, and the Work Center hutches as well. If you have the 42-inch by 22-inch top chest, also available for the deal. It's on their website, so it should include it. Even the end lockers, garage cabinets, the new Yukon, and the 27-inch top chest. So they're all here. They're all here. Even some of the smaller carts. Tool hanging cabinet. So I'll include the link. Top chests are included. There's the list of all the storage days. Good options if you're looking for them. And then the magnetic accessories. I know there were some questions about some of the in-drawer organizers, magnetic organizers, but at least for now, they're listed from the coupon. Of course, we'll sort from high to low as well again. And so, of course, the heavy hitter, the 5-outlet magnetic power strip with metal housing, 2 USB ports, $34. I feel like that's gone up in price. The power and air tool drawer organizer is considered $30. The 15-slot magnetic wrench rack. We all love a good rack, am I right? And then the 1/2-inch drive metric magnetic socket holders, different, available in 2 colors, SAE and metric, red and black. These other socket rails, part of the sale. And here's a 3/8-inch and the 3/8-inch SAE and metric again. Some of the magnetic parts trays are available. And then, of course, the 1/4-inch metric and 1/4-inch SAE are available as well. Dollar days started. So be careful with this one. $8, 20% off is only an extra $1.60 off when you can get it for dollar days down to $5, 37% off. So anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. I'll link the deals in the description. As always, let me know what you think. Now that discounts are confirmed, some huge discounts. Some of the Harbros are saying that nothing they needed, but sometimes when things get cheap enough, maybe it crosses over that threshold of like, hey, maybe I'll pick it up. And then of course, storage days, 20% off US General carts and roller cabs, and 25% off magnetic accessories. 25% off is huge. 20 and 15% off, respectively, for non-ITC members. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think. As usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.